Hello everyone, welcome to Green Gold Technologies. Now I would like to explain you about our IT product. Here you can observe the home page of our product. Instead of this picture, you can keep your organization picture, and below the picture, here you can describe you about organization. And in the upcoming events, we can scroll down what are all the coming events that are going to held on the coming months. And in the today birthdays, we can scroll down the names of people who are celebrating the birthday on the particular days. Coming to the business, you can observe the drop down of products, admin, HR, marketing and stores. For example, if I click on the products, you can observe the pictorial representation of products. If you want to collapse the child nodes of these products, just click on the image. The child nodes will be collapsed, and if you want to expand the child node, just if you click on the image again, you can observe the child nodes. If you want to know in detail about the products node, just click on the text. A pop-up window will be opened. Here you can observe the description and the time required for this audio to listen. And if you have any queries, if you just click on yes, here you can enter your query or suggestion, and you can click on send mail. If you just like or unlike this pop-up window, you just click on these. If you like this, just if you click on, you can observe this like symbol, and if you click on the play, you can listen the audio. Likewise, you can keep anything in this business area. Coming to the project area, here we have kept the whole life cycle of a project in different technologies. For example, if you consider ERP, just you can click on the business overview. Here you can observe the business overview and planning and budgeting, requirement and analysis, architecture and design, development, testing, implementation. You can observe the whole life cycle of your project. Coming to the development, here you can observe what are all the technology you need, what are the key observations, tools and techniques, everything you can observe in the development sector. Coming to the technology, you can observe DWHBA, APP development, SAP apps, Oracle, testing and mainframes. Here we have included the overview of this particular technology and its description, comparison, market trends and interview question answers. Likewise, we have provided for these chosen technologies. And coming to the task planner, here you can assign tasks for your subordinates. Here you can enter the task title and the description of the particular task, start date and to be completed date, and here you can mention posted to, self task or to the manager or to the subordinates. And here the status, just if you click submit, the task can be entered in the view task planners, and if you click send mail, the task details can be sent through mail to the particular post to the particular. And coming to the knowledge test, here we have provided some questions, and by taking this knowledge test you can upgrade your knowledge. Coming to the calendar, here we have provided all the events, what are all the events that are going to held in the particular month and in the coming month. For example, like this. and here you can observe next month events. Coming to our history, here you can provide the history of your employees. This is all about our product. Thank you.